In this video, I'll show you how you can use embedded videos to add a compelling visual within your emails without impacting overall email deliverability. Placing an actual video inside of an email is not best practice, as it can negatively impact deliverability and potentially overpower the other call to actions within your email. However, there are alternative options available to embed video visuals within your emails to drive audience engagement. By leveraging thumbnails or GIFs within emails, we can increase engagement and click-through rates with our audiences. In this video, I'll be using a video I've uploaded to Vimeo. From there, we can use the drop-down arrow next to Publish to find the option to embed an email. Using this option, Vimeo will allow you to select a thumbnail or generate a GIF that links to your video or site. Next, you'll see a drop-down list to select an email provider. And since Sugar Market is not officially listed, we're able to select the option for generic code. Additionally, there's a toggle for the option to show the play button laid over the thumbnail or GIF. Vimeo will automatically generate a code that you can copy and paste within the email builder. Now that we've generated and copied the code snippet, back inside the email builder in Sugar Market, use the code element and paste the code snippet into the code block within the builder. You should now see the thumbnail or GIF inside your email. You can test out the embedded visual by sending yourself a test email and preview what it would look like as well.